0 point is the point of level that the controller is looking for to identify that your coach has found level. Now, if you need to adjust this for some reason, whether it hasn't been programmed yet or you're having issues with your coach being out of level, you'll want to be able to program that. So to begin, we're going to grab our level and place it in center of our coach. With our level placed on the floor as close to center as we can get it, we'll start our leveling procedure. So to find 0 point, you'll turn your controller on, wait for the controller to do its calibrations and for that wait light to turn off. So it says that our park brake isn't engaged and that our unit's already level. So we'll turn our park brake on. And we're going to go into manual mode. If you have a semi-automatic controller, you can skip this step and go straight to leveling your unit. So we're in manual mode and we've leveled front to back, checking our level for that bubble to be in center. And now we can level side to side. So you'll turn your level the opposite way, making sure that bubble's in center of your unit. And now we can level side to side or left to right. And then you'll come back and check that bubble on your level. And when you're doing this, you'll want to make sure that you're on a flat level surface and that you're not moving around a lot in your coach and all of your slide outs are in. So now that we have level, we'll turn our touchpad off, back on. That wait light will come back on. We'll wait for that to turn off. And then we're going to put it in the program mode. So we'll press the front button 5 times. And then the rear button 5 times. Once the controller receives that signal that we just put in, it will put it into the program mode and all the LEDs should start flashing. To set airbags on your system, if your coach has the airbags or it has a harness plugged into that 4-pin auxiliary port on the controller, after you've pressed retract all jacks 3 times to set that 0 point, you'll press it 3 more times. Now that we finished our 0 point calibration, anytime we go to auto level this coach, that is the point of level the controller is looking for.